I mop the floor. I wash the vegetables. I clean the kitchen.
Welcome to Learn and Talk. Let's learn Arabic and English in a fun and easy way. Learn, speak, and enjoy every day.
I boil the water. I boil the water. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I set the table. I set the table. I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes. I cut the onions. I cut the onions.
I cook the rice. I cook the rice.
I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. I pour the water. I pour the water. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I wipe the table. I wipe the table. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I open the window. I open the window. I close the door. I close the door. I carry the bag. I carry the bag.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Talk for more fun learning videos.